Hey everyone, check out this super cool ABC chart that Miss Jamie made. She used items that she found on the playground. Check it out, and then I have a project for you to try. You guys have seen Miss Jamie's alphabet, can you use the items in your nature box to make the letter that your name starts with? Check out mine. All right, guys, as you can see, I have some of the items from my nature box here. I've got some leaves, and I've got some twigs, and I got some leaves from a plant that I found on the ground, and I have some tree bark and some rocks and a couple little pebbles. I'm gonna put all my things back in my bowl, and I'm gonna try and make my letters. Now, do you guys remember what letter my name starts with? It starts with the letter that says It's an M. So I'm gonna use the sticks. Remember, when we make an M, it goes up, down, up, down. I'm gonna start with my stick. You guys see it? Here it is. That's my up. I'm gonna break this stick in half to make my down. Then I need, well, that one broke a little bit more, so I'll do it like this. Up, and then what else does it need? It needs one down. Maybe I'll use some other things. Maybe I'll use these cool green leaves. Down. Down. There's my M. Up, down, up, down. Can you make the letter that your name starts with? Show me below.